Welcome to our educational channel. From class 8, the chapter 2 is linear equations in one variable. Linear equations in one variable. So the 6 basic skills I'll explain in this chapter to do any calculations from this class 8, the chapters like any board from linear equations. So those basic skills are very important to do the perfect in these concepts, right? I'm providing the skill based complete document or PDF in the description below, even this chapter and other chapters. You can find the page first, then by listening this video you can solve the problems, and remaining sums and remaining problems you can continue after this, because every page only 3 to 4 sums I'm explaining. Rest of the problems and rest of the pages you need to practice from the PDF file to be perfect in this concept, right? So let us start the linear equations one variable. First let us do single step equations, how to solve it. Single step, that means only with single variable in one step you'll get the answer. So here is, whenever you are transposing the variable or number from one side to other side, like LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS, then plus can becomes minus, then minus is to plus. So multiplication is division, and division becomes multiplication sign. So positive become negative, negative to positive, and product is division here, and divide by we can make it as a multiplication to other side. Same way vice versa, LHS to RHS and RHS to LHS. Okay, this is the pattern I remember. Now observe here, x minus 17 is equals to minus x. So minus 17, 17 is subtracting from x, right? When you transpose other side, it should be plus, minus become plus. So x is equals to, already which is there right side, you must write first as it is. Don't transpose immediately. Now after writing remaining, what you have to transpose minus 17 to the RHS to become plus 17. Simple. Minus 6 plus 17 answer you can write, that's the x value. Okay. So from 17 minus 6. Minus 6 plus 17. So that is plus 11. X is equal to 11. Same way, division is multiplication, right? A divided by 14. 14 is what operation is doing with A is division. So right, keep equal to symbol A minus 18. What you are transposing, that we can check it now here. Division becomes multiplication. How much is multiplying? 14. Okay, A is equals to minus 18 into 14. Minus into plus is minus. Now take 18 and multiply with 14, we'll get the answer. So 4 8s are 32. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 3, 7. Next this is 18. Finally 215, 252 is answer for this. Right. Similarly, plus 2 becomes minus. K is equals to. K is equals to, write 21 as it is. Plus 3 is minus 3. That is 18. K is equals to 18. Next, 132 is equals to 11b. So 11 is multiplying with b. Now LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS, both are same process. 11 is multiplying with b. Take to left hand side, it will divide. So 132 divided by 11. What is that? B. So then b is equals to finally 11 ones 11. 2 11 times 12 is 132. So b is equals to 12, right? So this is the single step equations. First you need to practice around, I am giving 15 to 20 problems in this page. So you need to practice the rest of the sums from the PDF. Next page, okay, first page remaining problems, and second page also till 8th problem in the PDF only practice, because I am showing only some different questions, not each and everything. Okay, see the 9th one. Minus 240 is equals to 15a. That means negative 240, okay, but 15 is multiplying with a. So it will be divided. Then finally a is equals to minus 240 divided by 15. Minus divided by plus is minus. 240 divided by 15. You can do cancelling method. 5 times table. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 40, no, 8. 48 by 3. Again 3 times 1s are 3. 6. So minus 16. After simplification, after converting, you can simplify. Let us do here. Minus 8 is adding to the a. Then a is equals to, write first minus 17 which is there already. Then side of this minus 8 becomes plus 18. You can do this like. So minus 9 it is. Minus 17 plus 8 is minus 9. Same way, minus 17, minus 7 becomes plus 7. So p is equals to minus 3 plus 7, 4. X is equals to 2 plus 12. Okay, minus 12, no, right? LHS to RHS. Here is RHS to LHS we did. So 14. Right. So this is about a single step calculations, single term. And page number 3 I am giving on full page, you need to practice. Then only go for the multi-step equations. Once perfect those concepts, then only come to the next page. Okay. So here is minus 6 in this type paper. First you can practice thoroughly first previous all the single step equations. Once you perfect, then come to this fourth page and let us do the sums. First question is minus 6 is multiplying with 10 plus a. Once you do operation, a is adding to the 10. This is completely one set. This set is multiplying with minus 6 now. It's complete set. Minus 6 is multiplying with this set. So minus 6 should be take to this side. This minus 6 not become plus 6. Don't forget. Minus 6 is multiplying with this. So that means 10 plus a is in LHS side. 18 is there already RHS. Minus 6 is multiplying to this set. No, that should be divided this side. Same as it is minus 6 but come to the denominator place of 18. That's the method. Some of you get confused and immediately minus 6 you write plus 6. Not. What operation that number is doing with a variable terms. You have to check it. So 10 plus a is one set. A is adding to 10. Minus 6 is multiplying, no, divided by minus 6. Now plus 18 divided by minus 6. So minus 3. 10 plus a is equal to minus 3. Now same like previous single step equations. Minus 3 minus 10. So minus 13. Right. Same logic you apply for the remaining sums. For example, question number 2. B, we need to find out B value. B divided by 3, right? So this is completely one set. One term it is. This term is adding to minus 7. Minus 7 is adding to this. So minus 7 if you take this side, plus 7. That means B divided by 3 minus 5 already is there, plus 7. Now this is 2. B divided by 3 is 2. Now B is equals to 6. 3 take this side. Single step calculation we did know. 3 is dividing, multiplying. Same here. N minus 3 is equals to what we should do? 9 should take right side. Minus 9. Then n is equals to minus 6 because minus 3 is plus 3. I'm writing directly n is equal to minus 6. Same like first problem here. 6 plus x. X is adding to the 6 but this entire set is multiplying with minus 3. Multiplying. So it becomes division place to the RHS term whatever it is. Now minus minus cancel or else minus divided by minus is plus. Now how much is going? 2 times 3 times 1 is 3. 27, no, 9. 19. Then from this x is equals to 19 minus 6. 6 plus x. Now we can check x is adding to the 6. 6 is adding to the x both. So 6 you take other side minus 6, that is how much you get? 13. Okay, so this is the multi-step equations you need to do it. Page number 5 also I gave few more sums. Even 6th page also I given sums. So these are the last page and 6th page. But till 8th problem you can practice from the page. Right? If you observe here, same what we should do it. This is one set. Add multiplying to the 7. This complete is subtracting from 2. That means 2 we can take other side first. So minus 7 in the bracket minus 5p plus 5. This full is subtracting from 2. Okay, 2 minus of this. No, 2 is positive. Take right LHS. Already there is a minus 173 minus 2. Now this minus 175. Because many of you get confused only when the negative symbols are there. Now minus 7 is multiplying with minus 5p plus 5 and that is equal to this. Now same like previous what we did, minus 5p plus 5. So from this minus 5p plus 5 minus 175. Now minus 7 is multiplying to this. There is no sign, it's multiplication. Take this side, minus 175 divided by minus 7. Minus minus cancel. 7 times 2 is 14, 35, 5. So 25. Now again minus 5p is equals to plus 5, no, take right side, 25 minus 5, that is 20. Within the space I am writing, don't get confused. That is minus 5p, that is minus 5 into p. Then p is equals to 20 divided by plus 20 divided by minus 5. So minus 4 is equals to p value. Okay, just I wrote all together. Okay, let me take one question and write the stepwise, not have confused. 11th question let me take. What is the question here? Minus 364 is equals to minus 7 minus of again 7 into 3 minus 8n. Because one sum, if you know the method, then remaining all the problems you can practice thoroughly. Okay, listen this problem carefully. First observe the where is the variable. 8 and n is the variable, n is multiplying with 8. This complete set is subtracting from 3. Again this set is multiplying with 7. This entire is subtracting from minus 7 again. Okay, no need of maintain the bracket. Just first this part you can take this side. Because minus 7 is separate. It's not multiplying or dividing with anything. Minus of 7 is multiplying this bracket again. So first which is other variable you should take. That means minus 364 plus 7. Remaining as is I am writing 3 minus 8n. First step is clear, right? Minus 7 became plus 7 this side. Okay, now we can subtract minus 364 and 7. 364 is a bigger number, no negative subtraction. From 364, that 7 you can subtract. Subtract 14 minus 7 is 7. This is 5. So 357 minus 357. That is equals to minus 7 times 3 minus 8n. Now what it is? Minus 7 is multiplying with this. So minus 7 only should take this side. That means don't becomes plus 7 because minus 7 is multiplying this. So there should be division. Which operation is doing that number you have to check with that variable. Minus 7 is multiplying with this set. So it should be division. Minus 357 divided by minus 7 is equal to 3 minus 8n. Minus divided by minus is plus 7 5 is a 35 1. Finally 51 is equal to 3 minus 8n. Now 8n is subtracting from 3. So plus 3 it is. But this is minus 8n. This is one set now. So 3 take this side. 51 minus 3. 3 take to LHS. Minus 8n. Then finally 51 minus 8n. From 51 3 you can subtract 48 is equals to minus 8n. Then 48 minus 8 is multiplying with n now. So divided by minus 8, that is equals to n. Finally 8 6. So that means n is equals to minus 6. Okay, this is the process. You need to apply the same logic for the remaining of the problems, right? Okay, next let us go for the expression to equations. This is important. Then only based on this you can do the word problems. A few sums I'll show you, few word problems, remaining you can continue. So writing expression in an equation, this skill is important. C times is multiplication, C times 5. So 5C or C5 is equal to symbol 27. So this is algebraic expression. This is the statement. The difference of 17 and 11. Difference means subtraction. So 17 minus 11. Yes. Next, the sum of n and 10. Sum of n and 10, that is n plus 10 is 19 is equals to 19. You can, if you observe is, was, those cases you can keep is equal symbol. 10 times 7, no, 10 into 7. So I am giving so many statements, like 2 more pairs I am giving. Just you can do them first, then only come to the next word problems. Okay, so based on that we can see some problems here. Sum of 3 consecutive even numbers is 30. Sum of 3 consecutive even numbers. For example, let first even number is x. Consecutive means next even. For every even number you need to add 2. Next, so x, next even number is x plus 2. Next even number is x plus 4. 3 consecutive, because you don't know first number, right? First number I am taking x. Then by adding these 3, that is equals to 30. Okay, this is the algebraic expression now. Now x plus 2 plus x plus 4 is equal to 30. You can do addition. X plus x is 3x variables, and 2 plus 4 is 6 is equal to 30. Now what we got? We got a linear equation. You know, you can apply the method. 3x. X is multiplying with 3. This is one set. 6 is adding to this. So you can take 6 to right side. Minus 6. That is 24 is 3x. From this x is equals to 8. 24 divided by 3. So 8 is the first even number followed by 10, 11. So 8, 10, 12. Add these 3, you will get 30. Sum, no? Same way. Same way odd numbers also, like you have some word problem. Very few I am giving applications to the equations. Page number 9, 10 I am giving, those you can practice. Right. Next we have another type of questions, the radical equations. If you are able to find any square root within the linear equations, what we should do? We need to apply the squaring on both sides. Before applying squaring on both sides, only square root number you can take once. First problem, root 25 minus 2r. So 8 is multiplying this now. Take right side. 24 divided by 8. Okay, this is my except to square root. Remaining terms take other side. 8 times 3. Now we can apply the squaring on both sides. If you apply whole square on both the sides. So the square and square root cancel. 25 minus 2r. Then 3 square is 9. Then now we can know the linear equations, so simplification method. What is this? 25 take right side. Minus 2r is equals to 9 minus 25. That is 16. Minus 16, right? Minus 2r. Minus cancel either side, then r is equal to 8. 16 divided by 2. Just even third also, squaring on both the sides you can apply. Any problem is given, if you get square, apply the squaring on both sides. For example, question number 2. Applying squaring on both the sides. Square and square root cancel. X divided by 10 is equal to 9 square is 81. 9 into 9. 10 take right side. 8 is equal, x is equals to 810. Right? Thing which is this only square root here, not oral. Here also just apply the squaring. Not only this, I am giving some continuation problems. Few more are there. All you have to practice first. So stepwise, skill wise I am giving. So by listening the video concept, then you can practice remaining problems also. Then you'll be perfect in this topic.